next is a special address by our special invitee, Honorable Justice. Now may I request our Honorable Justice N. Mala to address the gathering.
I don't know whether I should say good evening to all or good night, because I was given 5:30 as the time for the function. I'm not complaining, but I'm only requesting that the organizers should also realize that time is as precious as money, if not more. I feel proud and greatly privileged to be a part of this august gathering. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times, said the great master Bruce Lee while emphasizing the importance of practice and perseverance. From the beginning of my career as a first generation women lawyer to standing before you as a judge of the Honorable Madras High Court, my life has been no different from that of a woodpecker. However hard the tree may be, whatever the conditions may be, the resolve of the woodpecker to crack the tree and build a home for itself remains unshaken. I am certain that the achievers that we commemorate today have been like the woodpecker, striving with grit and determination to excel in their respective fields, and so they are fittingly felicitated today for their hard work, dedication, their unparalleled contribution to their chosen fields. From starting as rookies to becoming the doyens in their chosen fields, each of these gentlemen would have faced innumerable challenges, yet by the strength of the discipline, hard work, and perseverance, they are where they are. While success stories offer inspiration to the aspiring, stories of failure offer invaluable lessons of resilience, perseverance, and growth. They teach us that setbacks are a part of life and reveal the importance of humility and learning from mistakes and the courage to try again. It is through failure that we learn to navigate the challenges and ultimately achieve success. I would like to illustrate this through the life experience of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. All of us know that Dr. Abdul Kalam hailed from a remote village in Ramnad district. He always dreamt of becoming a fighter pilot and worked relentlessly towards his dreams. However, he failed in his endeavor to become a fighter pilot. Out of dejection, he wanted to end his life. At that moment, by providence, we may say, he happened to meet Guru Swami Sivananda Saraswati. Swamiji advised him to be not dejected, but to work beyond his dreams and contribute to the society by utilizing to the optimum the opportunities that were to come his way. Without a doubt, the great man followed the Swamiji's advice, and as we know, the rest is history. It is true that life is not the same for all. For some, it may be a bed of roses, and for the others, a bush of thorns. Irrespective of what one is blessed with, one has to tread the path and keep striving towards excellence. In other words, one has to be like the woodpecker, which is endowed with a steel resolve. So friends, like I already stated, we have amongst us the achievers who have achieved great heights by the strength of their labor and dedication. I take this opportunity to congratulate them on their achievements in their chosen field, and I also commend Rotary District for felicitating the achievers. Thank you. God bless. Good night.
Thank you so much, Honorable Justice Ma'am, for that wonderful, inspirational and motivational address. And I also thank all the dignitaries on the dais for making this Medi Sales Award